when you get on a boat, first thing you want to do, of course, make sure you have your PFD. Then I want to hook my kill switch up to my PFD. That way, if something happens and I pull away, the motor stops. Give you an example. Start it. I'll check, make sure I've got gear, in gear, out of gear. We know it works. But watch what happens when the kill switch goes. I go over, fall over, motor dies. Motor will not start again without that kill switch on. So, turn it off, make sure your kill switch is hooked up, and then start your engine. There you go. Safety switch. Use it.